Today, I'm going to show you how to collect YouTube video comments. Yes, exactly these comments. If you want to collect comments from this video, you can copy its URL link. Then, open the Tapicker extension. Find this recipe. Then, paste the URL you just copied here. It supports multiple links, one link per line. Then, it will collect them in order, in batch. Alright, start it. It will automatically scroll the page and extract the comment data. Next, you can totally do your own thing and leave it running. Alright, it's done. Let's take a look at the data. Look, awesome, insanely awesome, all the data is extracted. Nice, very nice, quite a lot of data. You can also export the data as an Excel file.